KSN News 3 Sunday night.
Good evening. Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Jeff Herndon. Well, it is a day that some people dread. Tax day. The deadline to file is hours away. Tomorrow, KSN's Craig Andrus is here with last-minute advice if you happen to be a tax day procrastinator. Craig?
What is that saying? Death and taxes? Well, let's add another thing here. Tax deadline. You know, that is coming up tomorrow. And if you're a procrastinator, that is, like so many, well, you can go for that extension.
With the deadline upon us all for taxes, tax prep offices busy over the weekend.
There are many people that do not file on time.
Vivian Rogers says many people do not file every year, but if you want to avoid the penalties of up to 5% of the amount due, get it filed or get an extension mailed Monday to push to October.
The thing an extension does is it takes away the penalty for not filing on time. So a lot of people think that that takes away the fact that they owe, and they don't have to pay it until October 15th, but you will have interest on it.
One of the reasons some put off their taxes, they can't find those W-2s or other documents.
I think the main thing is to keep track of your information. You know, have some place to put it whenever it comes in. Things that you collect throughout the year, have some place to keep track of it so you're not having to look for it at the last minute.
More last-minute advice. Check those W-4 forms on how much comes out of your paycheck to avoid having a big tax bill when you have to get those taxes in.
The old W-4s, you could say you were married jointly and claim zero. Now, whenever you say you're married jointly, it seems like it doesn't hold enough out unless people ask to have additional taxes held out of their return. I mean, out of their paycheck.
She also says a lot of people enjoy having that larger paycheck each month, but that has less money taken out. If you do that, she says it's a good idea to have an account for savings in case you owe the government more at tax time. Here for you, Craig Andrus, KSN News 3.